Hello and welcome to Easy French. My name is Sangita and today we are doing lesson number 23, Plural de Noun, means plurals of nouns. So, plurals of nouns. Now we know what nouns are. This I have explained in my lesson indefinite article. So, in case if you have missed, go through it. The link is there in the description box. So, now this boy, noun. So, a boy, singular, becomes plural when there are more than two or more than two. So boys, this will take an S. Another one, girl, singular, in plural, many girls, it will take an S, girls. Okay. Pen, singular, in plural, many pens will be pens. Again a S. Apple, singular, more than two, apples, S. Dog, singular, in plural, dogs. Now you see that in English it's very easy and simple. You have to only add an S to the singular form and it becomes plural. Okay? But in French it's little complicated. It's not that easy. But once you go through this video, things will be very easy for you all. So let's see what happens in French. So in French, there are many ways to make plural. So the first way is just to add an S to the singular noun. Okay, when your noun is in singular, you put an S. So let's see. So first, book. Book is livre, right? This we know. So un livre will be some books. So des livres. Pronunciation is going to be the same, but the article changes. Definite article, plural definite article, singular indefinite article and plural indefinite article. Okay, so the article changes and you put a S. Pronunciation remains the same. So un livre and des livres. Okay, now a boy. So boy is a garçon, and in plural some boys will be des garçons, des garçons. Okay, so this is one way of changing singular noun to a plural. Now let's see the second way. In the second way, nouns ending. All the nouns which are ending in EAU or EU, they will take an X in the plural. Okay, repeat once again. EAU and EU, the nouns which are ending in these two words, EAU and EU, will take an X in the plural. Clear? So let's see some words. So this is cake. Cake is what in French? Ghetto. Very good. So ghetto, le ghetto or ghetto. Article you know. Now it's masculine. So in plural many cakes. So le ghetto or indefinite article they ghetto. Clear? So ending in EAU. Ending in EAU. So to make plural, you have to add an X. Clear? Now quote. Quote is what in French? Un motto. Un motto. So what you have to do is add ending in EAU. So you will add an X. Clear? So for many quotes, de motto, de motto. So EAU plus X. Clear? So guys, there are two videos on definite and indefinite articles. Go through them. The link is there in the description box and I assure you that you will really love those two videos. So now next is, now you know that nouns ending in EAU and EU normally take an X in the plural. So exception is tire. Tire is known as a panu. A panu. Now in plural, it is not going to take an X. Let's see. So le or de pinu. De pinu. So here it is an S. So that is why it's an exception. Ending in EU, technically it should take a X. But because of the exception, it's taking an S. Clear? So next is noun ending with OU normally take an X in the plural. Okay, ending in OU. So let's see some words. So this is cabbage. Cabbage is known as a shoe. A shoe. So ending in OU, right? OU and OU over here. So let's see in the plural. Some cabbages will be they show. They show. So pronunciation remains the same, but it will take an X to make it plural. Clear? One more word. Now this is a piece of jewelry, singular, a bijou, a bijou. It is not zoo over here, it's the J sound. So I write over here how we say in pleasure. So there's a video on alphabet. All the sounds are there. So go through it. The link is there in the description box. So a bijou will be, some jewelry will be they bijou. They bijou with a X. Ending in OU will take a X. So here also some exceptions are there. So first is a who, a who, which means a neck. And in the plural, it will be they who. So instead of taking an X, it will take S, ending in OU and taking a S. Clear? Second is nail. So nail is a clue, ending in OU, but in the plural, nails will take S. So clue, they clue, taking an S. So these exceptions, learn them by heart. Okay. Now nouns ending in AL. So all the nouns which are ending in AL, they take AUX to make it plural. Change it to plural. You drop this AL and add AUX. So let's see. So a newspaper, singular. So journal, a journal. Drop this AL and add AUX. Okay. So some newspapers will be they, you know, they, you know. Clear? Now this is signal. Signal, any kind of signal, a whistle means if you are signaling by giving a whistle or some sound, any kind of sound, or the road signal, it's all a signal, will be pronounced as a signal, a signal. Okay. Now in plural, they, senior, they, senior. Clear? Now one more. This is horse. So horse is a cheval, ending in AL, and plural, some horses will be they shaver, they shaver. So I'll read this once again for you. A journal, they journaux, a signal, they senior, a cheval, they chevaux. Okay. Now we know that nouns ending in AL take an AUX to make it plural, but there are some exceptions in this case also. So French is full of exceptions. So let's see. Now ball. So bell, a bell. Now in the plural, it should be adding AUX because ending in AL, but it will not take AUX, it will take an S, simple S. They bell, because ending in AL, but we are adding an S because it is an exception. Clear? One more example. Now this is a carnival. So carnival, a carnival, and plural will be they carnival because ending in AL should take AUX, but again a exception. So here it will be plural with an S. Okay. So don't be disheartened. At the end of the lesson, I'll explain you some shortcuts. I'll show you. So it will be quite easy for you all to learn these plurals. So nouns that end in S, X, and Z in the singular do not change in plural. Okay. So it means all the nouns which are ending in these three letters will not change. They remain the same. So a country, so a pay. Country is known as a pay, ending in s. In the plural, they pay. They pay. Article changes, but the noun is the same. Now, a nut, yun noa, yun noa. In plural, some nuts will be they noa, they noa. Nose, ne, ne. In plural, they, ne. Price. Now, price is in French means two things. This is for a price means money wise. This is costly. This is what is the price. So that price, and as well as price means to get some award. So two meanings for this word pre, a pre, and both will remain same in the plural. So it will be they pre, they pre. Clear? So I'll go through it once again. Pay, they pay, you noa, they noa, ne, they ne, pre, and they pre. Next is, so guys, before starting, a small request that please do watch the video till the end and please do like the video. So guys, you must be wondering how to remember all these complicated rules. So I will simplify and show you some shortcut methods to how to remember all these rules. Okay, so do watch the video till the end and let's get back to our lesson. So nouns ending in EAU and EU will take an X in the plural. Nouns ending in OU will take a X in the plural. Nouns ending in AL will drop the AL and you have to put AUX in the plural to make the noun plural. From singular to plural, you have to add X, X and AUX. Okay. Now, all the exceptions, all these three rules, there are some exceptions which we have done. So all the exceptions will take an S in the plural. Okay, simple. Now one more thing is nouns ending in other alphabets will take S. All other alphabets, whatever the alphabet is, apart from this, all will take an S in the plural. One more thing to remember is nouns ending in S, X and Z do not change in the plural. Easy. Nouns ending in S, X and Z. They do not change in the plural. Now, there are some more nouns which we will see. So, money, milk, butter, etc. They are used in the singular form only. We do not have plural for them. Okay? Milk will not become milks. We will say one bottle of milk, two bottles of milk. So bottles will take an S, but milk will not take an S. Clear? So let's see some examples. So money. So money in English also singular plural is the same. So l'argent means money and it also means silver. Over here it's money. So an example, j'ai besoin de l'argent means I need some money. Second example, il a beaucoup d'argent. Il a beaucoup d'argent. He has a lot of money. Okay, so both in singular form. So guys, these nouns are often considered uncountable and therefore they do not typically have plural forms. So let's see some nouns. So first is water. So water is always used in the singular form. Law. La or together law. So la apostrophe. So there's a video on apostrophe. I request go through it. The link is there in the description box. So next is milk. So milk is le, always used in singular form. Now butter, again used in singular form. Le beurre, we say one packet of butter, two packets of butter. Packets become a plural S, but butter will not take a S, right? Next is flour. Flour means atta, how we make chapati with. So la farine, la farine. This is also used in singular form. Next is bread. always used in singular form as an whole, but we can say two slices of bread. But bread, we do not say breads. Okay, so le pain, and last is rice. So rice, we say 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of rice, but we will never say 2 cups of rices. That's wrong. So le riz always used in singular form. So guys, please don't forget to put your valuable comment, and please like the video. Thank you.